painting, Waterfalling, bursts with vitality, portraying a waterfall cascading against dark, jagged rocks into a serene pool below. Vibrant foliage frames the scene, with bold greens, reds, and yellows celebrating the diversity of the Hawaiian environment. The lively brush strokes and interplay of shadows with white water evoke movement and energy, drawing the viewer into the pulse of nature. The text, Hawaii, July 1985, imbues the piece with personal resonance, marking it as a memory preserved in vivid color. In Zen, water is a frequent metaphor for the mind and the nature of life itself. The waterfall, unyielding in its flow, despite encountering rocks and cliffs, symbolizes resilience and adaptability. Each droplet, transient and impermanent, reminds us of the beauty inherent in change. This painting becomes a meditation on the nature of existence, where obstacles are not barriers, but opportunities for movement and evolution. In this view, the vibrant tropical setting emphasizes living fully in the present, mindful of each moment's richness. In the I Ching hexagram, 29 is associated with water and perseverance through challenges. The waterfall, relentlessly cascading against the rocks, embodies this wisdom. It represents not only the inevitability of adversity, but also the grace and strength found in navigating it. The hexagram teaches us to flow like water, persistent, adaptable, and steady, turning every impediment into an opportunity for continued growth. The Tao Te Ching speaks of water's effortless power as it adapts to and shapes its environment without force. Chapter 78 states, "Nothing in the world is softer and weaker than water, yet for attacking the hard and strong, nothing is better." The waterfall exemplifies this harmony, flowing gracefully while wearing down the rocks over time. The lush foliage serves as a reminder of the Tao's balance, where all elements coexist in mutual nourishment and interdependence. We emphasize the importance of being present amidst the flow of life. The painting invites the viewer to pause and witness the waterfall's continuous, dynamic journey, a metaphor engaging fully with each moment. The text, Hawaii, July 1985, anchors this concept in a specific memory, suggesting that life's beauty is not only in grand landscapes, but also in the personal experiences we carry forward. This artwork harmonizes perspectives into a singular meditation on flow, resilience, and presence. The waterfall's continuous journey amidst rocky obstacles reflects the interplay of effort and surrender. The vibrant foliage and serene pool below remind us that life's challenges often yield growth and tranquility when approached with acceptance and mindfulness. Let the waterfall inspire your journey. When faced with obstacles, channel water's adaptability and persistence, embracing each moment fully. Reflect on your own Hawaii, July 1985 moments, cherished memories that remind you of life's beauty amid challenges. Take time to pause, breathe, and witness the flow of your existence, trusting in its natural course. Whether cascading fiercely or moving gently, let your life embody the harmony of action and acceptance.